Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad K Sangma la ong ban dang tohkit halal jingcha sha kawang mau yi kali synran ulat ke Jela Meghalaya Satyapal Malik hak khatnyu trik noilar arjar fuwei mulai la ong bag kali gidai ki bedang wan phai nak wan bu ulat hak chaka sange ling soinya ka ti Menteri Rangba la ong bag dan ki runar la le ek kam bari kan ye lai kran hak chingelang bag nongelam no mulai ki bala kular ban ye le kat bala ban penne yak sung suk sung sain.
Yeah, so of course, it was returning back after the governor had been dropped in Guwahati. So the car kit was returning back, and that time there were few miscreants who had thrown some stones at them. One vehicle was damaged. We mentioned this in the meeting today, and even the senior leaders and the headmen from the locality have mentioned that these parents, the senior citizens, the elders have all been, last 2 nights have been themselves roaming around and moving around within Maulai to ensure that there is peace. So there has been a lot of participation from the elders out here. And when we mentioned this, they themselves said that in spite of all these involvement of the society to ensure peace, some stray incidents did take place, and they have also accepted that. But they have maintained, this is the words of the leaders from the Maulai area, that these are stray incidents, but by and large, the community, all the seniors, all the elderly people have all been together and ensuring that they have been coming out and ensuring that there's peace in the locality, in the area.
But any action taken in this attack case?
So obviously, we are inquiring into it. Let's see if and information comes to us, then appropriate. Only after the evidence or information comes to us, then only we can take it.